Hey guys, I'm back home. Just got home now. I have to walk down. So let me check the birds how they are doing. I think okay, they have little food. Let me check. Ooh, I hope this chicken is okay. Hey, chick. That particular one that is sleeping now, I just hope he's okay. Because since yesterday it has been raining. And if you notice chicken, look at this chicken now. If you notice this kind of chicken, just put an eye on them. Because maybe because of the weather, it might be acting funny or it might not really be fine. They still have little food because before I left, I gave them food. So they still have little food, and I need to clean this poultry today. You can see the inside now. The poultry is dirty. The work of a farmer. These are some of the things we experience. Hey, go inside. So let me check the other ones. Inside. Okay, this one they are okay. So later I will check on them. You can see it's raining. It's raining over here. Since last night it has been raining. These ones they are okay, they are smart. Hey guys, I have to bring the cage out. That's when I meet the under. Because since I couldn't bring them out and the weather is so cold, so that smell I have to remove it to be able to clean it so that they won't be inhaling the smell. Because right now the weather is not that friendly. So I've packed the waste out of the cage so to try and clean it up. So guys, I have to cover the cage right now. You can see I have to cover everywhere because the weather is cold, and you saw one of the chicken I showed you guys earlier. It's kind of cold, so for nothing to happen to them right now, I have to make them look warm. So guys, I will stop from here. Please like and subscribe to see more of my videos. Thank you guys, and bye.